Dear learners, welcome in the online course Make Your Mind Happy. As you know, this course is related to stress management. The course will enable you to help adolescents to manage stress. So let's begin with our first topic, that is understanding adolescence. The term adolescence came from the Latin word adolescere, mean to grow or to grow into maturity. Jean Piaget, the great psychologist, rightly said that psychologically, adolescence is the age when the individual becomes integrated into the society of adults, the age when the child no longer feels that he is below the level of his elders, but equal, at least in rights. This integration into adult society has many effective aspects, more or less linked with puberty. It also includes very profound intellectual changes. These intellectual transformations, typically of the adolescent's thinking, enable him not only to achieve his integration into social relationships of adults, which is in fact the most general characteristics of this period of development. This is a very crucial stage because adolescent is no longer a child and not yet an adult. Adolescence is usually associated with teenage years, but physical and psychological characteristics may begin earlier and end later. These are some definitions of adolescent. Adolescence is a transitional stage of physical and psychological development that generally occurs during the period from puberty to adulthood. Another definition is given by WHO, that is the World Health Organization. It defines an adolescent as any person between ages 10 and 19. Adolescent stage begins at around age 10 and ends around age 21. Adolescent stage can be divided further into three stages, like early adolescence. From 12 to 14 years, early adolescence is contradictory phase. It is a phase when the child is not yet mature and at the same time he is no longer child. They insist that they have grown up enough to be independent, while parents do not provide them much freedom. This is a time the youngster find the drastic physical changes as a source of irritation. Some who are physically not well grown, feeling somewhat inferior to others. There is a fear that they may remain short and small. There is a lot of confusion, hesitation, and search for one's own real identity. This arises due to the fact that physically they look like an adult, but mentally they are still children. Parents and elders treat them at one time as a grown up and other time as a child. This causes problems in identity as to who am I and what am I, etc. Adolescence is the time when all of a sudden the world start looking different. Fantasies beyond the fun are common during this stage. This is the time when we must understand needs of adolescents. Adolescent also starts to think about his future. 14 to 17 years is a stage of middle adolescence. This is a phase when a child is on the road of transmission. There are a lot of changes that occur, like physical, mental, cognitive, and sexual. While most of the girls close to their puberty stage, boys are still on the road of mature physically. It is that time of life when young individual is most concerned about one's look, body, and appearance. Middle adolescence is the time when the teenagers are developing their unique personality and opinions. Friends play pivotal role during these years. They try to maintain their identity in the group. Competition also becomes an important priority for the adolescents. Many adolescents tries to analyze that experiences they are going through and tries to understand their inner turbulence by writing diaries. Remember, middle adolescents are more capable of setting goals. However, they set goal are often too high, and if unable to reach the goal, they feel frustrated. Withdrawal from the parents is also one of the key characteristics found in the children of this age. Middle adolescents sometimes don't want to depend on parents and they would like to take their own decisions for themselves. Late adolescence is a stage between 17 to 19 years. A late adolescent is closer to adulthood and youngster develop firm identity and more stable interests. Soon to be adults, they attain greater emotional stability and having a more developed sense of humor. They are able to delay their gratifications of their desires and they are able to think ideas also. They learn to express their feelings in words and tries to make independent decisions. They are having great concern for others. They become more self-reliant and decide priorities. They start finalizing their thoughts about their role about to play in their life and become more concerned about future. An adolescent may grow several inches in several months, followed by a period of slow growth and then have another growth spurt. Changes of puberty they may occur gradually or several signs become visible at the same time. Some adolescents may experience these signs of maturity sooner and later than others. These changes happen at different times for everyone. Sexual and other physical maturity occurs during puberty results from hormonal changes. As the adolescent nears puberty, the pituitary gland increases the secretion of a hormone called follicle stimulating hormone. In girls, FHS activates ovaries to start produce estrogen. Among the boys, first pubertal change is enlargement of testicles. Penis enlargement begins approximately 1 year after testicles being enlarging. Pubic hairs, hairs under the arms, on the face, voice change, or other changes. Gradually, these changes occur. Some boys may get swelling in the area of breast as a result of the hormonal changes. But this is a temporary condition. Voice may go deeper and may crack sometimes. This is also temporary situations. Sometimes skin become oily. At the age of 14, boys experience wet dreams, also to experience penis erections and ejaculation. From 8 to 13 years of age, girls experiences various pubertal changes. First pubertal change is breast development. Height may increase 2 to 10 inches. Pubic hair development happens shortly after breast development. Hair under the arms appears in 12 years of age. Menstrual periods from 10 to 16.5 years. Girls' pubertal changes usually begins before the boys of the same age. Other changes are also experienced by girls. There may be increase of hair not only in pubic area but arms and on legs. Body shape also begins to change. Oily skin and sweating is also major problem for the girls. Adolescent stage is called as a period of stress and storm, a time of heightened emotional tension resulting from the physical and hormonal changes. Most of the adolescents experience emotional instability because they have to make adjustment to new patterns of behavior and new social expectations. Adolescents get upset when something go wrong and if expectations are not fulfilled. Emotional stability occurs with passing years. 14-year adolescents are often irritable and easily excited. Also, they explode emotionally instead of trying to control their feelings. 16-year-old adolescents, on the contrary, say they don't believe in worrying. Instead of having temper tantrums, however, adolescents express their anger by sulking, refusing to speak, or loudly criticizing who angered them. To achieve emotional maturity, adolescents must learn to get perspective on situations. Otherwise, would let emotional reactions. They should discuss their problems with others. Parents and teachers should provide safe and secure atmosphere so adolescents will get trust to share their attitudes, feelings, and personal problems. Different types of physical exercises, games, and sports are helpful for the adolescents to get emotional catharsis. Social adjustment becomes most important task for adolescents. They find difficulties in adjustment with member of opposite sex. Peer group is having more impact on adolescents. Adolescents spend most of their time outside the home with peer group. Peers would have a greater influence on adolescents' attitudes, speech, interests, appearance, and behavior than the family has. During this crucial stage, adolescent may influence by peers to experience alcohol, tobacco, or sex. Social grouping for the boys, as a rule, are larger and more loosely knit, while for the girls, groups are smaller and more sharply defined. Progress in mental development is also important characteristics of this stage. Adolescents able to set their goals, they think about their future and tries to understand complex problems. They search for the role models, it is important, and would like to follow them. As we have discussed, that adolescent stage is a stormy period in life. There are several issues which we can see among adolescents, like hormonal changes, they become emotionally unstable, sometimes swings are also observed. Heterosexual attraction develops feeling of guilt among them. Because of new thinking pattern, they want freedom, but if many times what parents do that they impose the restrictions on adolescents, and because of this adolescent become aggressive. Because of rapid physical and hormonal changes, adolescent become lethargic. He or she could not concentrate on studies. As a result, adolescent experience the stress of achievement in examination. Peer pressure is also important issue of adolescents. Many times we see conflicts between adolescent and their parents. Nowadays, social media is very much used by the adolescents and there is a craze of doing new things. It is very important to teach them responsible use of social media. Another important thing is that identity crisis. This is a major issue for the adolescents and they are in search of their identity. Again, adolescent is very much cautious about his physical appearance, his achievement in the examination. If they are lacking somewhere in these areas, then they face issues of low self-esteem. It is important responsibility of parents and teachers to provide explicit attention to adolescents. Emotional support and feeling of safety is very much important for the adolescents. With the growing age, adolescents need balanced diet. So, parents and teachers must guide them about the eating healthy and do exercise. Parents and teachers must help adolescents to understand physical changes and hormonal changes. Adolescents are in emotional dilemma, so parents and their teachers should avoid negative criticism. Rather, they should help them to develop positive self-concept. Dear learners, in this way, we have studied the important characteristics of adolescent stage.